Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In this sixth block, we learnt about different aspects of a map. We learnt the elements of a map. We learnt how the colors and symbols help us to read a map. We learnt what is scale and how does it help us in reading the map. Today we are going to learn about the types of maps. So the different types of maps will be discussed and what are the features that they represent. So here on your screen you can see this map and you can see the states and the cities and even when river is shown. Today we will learn about political, physical and thematic maps. Each map provides different kinds of information. The keywords that we are going to learn are states. What are states? States are parts of a country. Physical features, features on Earth's surface such as mountains and rivers formed by nature. Okay, physical features means those which are formed by nature like mountains and rivers. Thematic means connected with a specific subject. Okay, it is about one topic in detail, right? Let's move further. So this is open your content book. If this is not very clear, you can even open your content book to page number 46. Here they have given you 4 maps and it is explained how each map helps us. Okay, different types of maps are used for different purposes. Why do we use so many maps, Nana? Because they tell us about different things. Okay, they are used for different purposes. Now the first two are thematic maps because they deal with one topic or one subject. Okay, I'll show you. The first map shows us the annual rainfall in India. Okay, year wise rainfall. Okay, looking at this map, if you read the legend, you will understand how was the rainfall in this places. Okay, next we also have here the major soil map. Okay, so this tells us about the types of soil. This is useful for a farmer. So these are 2 thematic maps given here. One was about rainfall and other one was about the soils of India. Thematic maps show specific things such as rainfall, vegetation, mineral, soil or forest, right? Now let's move ahead and also look at this. On your left, okay, the white color left, the map of India on the left is a political map and on the right we have physical map. Let us try to know how political maps and physical maps help us. What is the difference between them? Political maps show the villages, towns, cities or countries of the world with their boundaries. Okay, if you buy a political map from the stationery shop, what is that you can see in it? You can see the countries, you can see the states and their capitals, the boundaries, okay, given in it, right? And if you buy a physical map and if you have it here, if you read it, all the things that are formed by nature you can see there, such as mountains, hills, rivers, deserts and lakes, right? And we have some practice questions here. Write if true or false. A thematic map shows countries, their boundaries and capitals. Is that true? Okay, we'll do this in the after a while. Okay, so here is a video. So what is that they are saying? A political map shows us the states, union territories and okay, this is a political map. So the state of Tamil Nadu you can see and its capital is also mentioned, whereas a physical map, it shows us the features that are formed by nature like the river Ganga or the mountain Himalayas. Okay, then thematic map deals with one subject, one topic, that is forests. You can see where are the forests in the map of India, right? What do we get to know from the 3 maps? What did we understand? One map shows the different states of India with their boundaries and their capital cities. The second map shows the mountains, hills, rivers, plateaus, plains and deserts of India, but no boundaries between the states. The third map shows the annual rainfall in India in different colors. The fourth map shows the major soils in India in different colors. Right? How are the maps different? Although all the maps are India, okay, all the maps are of India. That is the same between all these maps. What is same? All of them are about India. Each one shows a different thing. What is different? The feature that is shown in these maps are different from each other. What is same? All of these maps are India, maps of India, okay. And what is the difference? The features that are shown in these maps are different, okay. The map that shows the states of India along with their boundaries and capitals is called a political map. The map that shows the physical features of India such as mountains, hills, plains and plateaus is called a physical map. The maps that show the annual rainfall or the different types of soil are called thematic maps. Thematic maps show specific things like forests, rainfall, soil, roads and minerals. So here in this table we can understand what is the difference. The definition for the three maps is given. What is a political map? Okay, what does it show? What is a physical map? And what does it show? And thematic map. Okay, what it shows, it is very clearly given here. You draw this in your notebook, beta. Political map shows the villages, towns or countries of the world with their boundaries. Physical map shows physical features like the mountains, hills, rivers and lakes. Thematic map shows specific things like rainfall, roads, soil or forest. Right? Then let's move ahead. For whom do you think a soil map will be very useful and why? Okay. So who needs to know what type of soil is in which place or what type of soil will be suitable or useful for them? So think about it, students. For whom will be the soil map will be helpful? So a soil map will be very useful for a farmer. The farmer will be able to know the different types of soil of a place which help him to decide what crops to grow. Yes, that is true. A farmer should have the knowledge about the soil, right? Different types of soil. Which soil will be helpful for him to grow which kind of crops, right? A soil map will be very useful for a farmer. Okay. Now let's open our workbook. Open your worksheet to 6.4 everyone. 6.4. So here we have put today's date, beta. Fill in the blanks choosing words from the box. Okay, the answers are already there in the help box. You need to select the right word and write it in the blanks. Okay, a dash is a drawing of a place. It helps us to find dash to a place. Okay, it helps us to know dash between two places. It can also be used to know the dash of countries. So a dash is a drawing of a place, that is map. In the blank, in the first blank you write map. It helps us find dash to a place. What does it help? Directions. So write directions word there. The third blank, it helps us to know the dash between two places. Distance. Write the word distance there. It can be also used to know the dash of countries, capitals of countries. So write these words. Then what type of maps are these? Political, physical or thematic? Write one feature of each. Okay, if you observe carefully, the first map, okay, map A is a political map because it shows the states and capitals of Bangladesh, whereas map B is a physical map because the rivers, you can see the rivers are very clearly highlighted here, they are shown here, right? So you can write the same here. One feature means capitals and states. For map A, one feature they are asking, so there you write states and capitals. For map B, what will you write? You write the rivers here. Okay, fill in the blanks choosing words from the box. Political, physical and thematic. A. If you want to know about the cities and towns of India, you will need a dash map. What map? Political map. If you want to know about the forests of India, you will need a dash map. Which map? Okay, you will need a thematic map. Okay, forests of India, that is the thematic map. Now see, if you want to know about the rivers, okay, here it is. Okay, if you want to know about the cities and towns of India, you will need a political map. If you want to know about the forests of India, you will need a thematic map. If you want to know about the rivers of India, you will need a physical map. Right, students? Now let's move ahead. These are the practice questions in your content book. A thematic map shows countries, their boundaries and capitals. Is that true, students? No. So write false. B. A physical map shows the roads of a country. That is also false. C. A physical map shows mountains and rivers. Yes, mountains and rivers are the physical features which are formed naturally. Right? So false, false and true. A false, B false and C true. Question 2. Write one difference between physical maps and political maps. So what is the difference between a physical map and political map, Nana? Okay. See, political maps show the villages, towns and cities or countries. Okay. Whereas the physical maps, they show physical features such as mountains, hills, rivers, deserts and lakes. Right. So you write the answer there. And that's all for today. We have completed block 6, right? Complete your workbook, worksheet, answer the questions, practice questions in the content book. Okay. So that's all for now, students. Thank you. Have a good day.